profusely overjoyed to take this opportunity to introduce our honorable chief guest of the day. She is none other than the successful woman, Dr. C. Indrani, Assistant Professor of Department of Mathematics at Banariaman Institute of Technology, Satyamangalam. She has completed her BSc in Mathematics at PKR Arts College for Women at Bharatiya University in 1998. She has also done her MSc in Number Theory and MPhil in Differential Equation at Gobi Arts and Science College, Coimbatore. She has completed her PhD in Mathematics at Bharatiya University at 2019. She began her teaching career at Kamadhenu Arts and Science College as a lecturer, working from 2002 to 2005, and later started working as a lecturer at Banariaman Institute of Technology since 2005 until today. Apart from 19 years of experience as a lecturer, she has also published 15 journals under the stream of mathematics. She has also presented in 13 resourceful conferences. She is an expert in general topology. She has also delivered guest lecture at SNS College of Engineering and at Kamadhenu Arts and Science College. She has also received Best Research Paper Award. It's really so great to have such an amazing woman over this special occasion. I also feel delighted to invite our special guest to steal our thoughts with her empowering words. Thank you for being here, ma'am. The session is yours to take over.
I would like to introduce by giving some introduction about how that is the given by a wonderful topic given by you. Don't limit yourself. That is an excellent topic given by your side. Now I am going to present my screen. Yes, this is our topic. Don't limit yourself. What do you feel from this? So you feel some happiness when you hear this word. This is a very, very excellent word given by your secretary ma'am. Yes, I will deal about this later. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. Already they have introduced. I am Dr. C. Indrani from Department of Mathematics. I am working as an Assistant Professor 3 at Banariaman Institute of Technology currently. And before entering into this topic video lecture, please observe this picture. Don't afraid of about this like a meditation or anything. Just ease your mind, okay? Just clean your mind. You must be very clear when you are going to acquire some knowledge about something, a new thing. So that I am giving this picture, just an education picture. That's it, okay? You ease your mind, okay? And now we are going to see about 3 important knowledges that you are going to acquire from your in this course. It's a BSc course or what a BE course or what a BA course, whatever it may be. So you are going to acquire 3 types of knowledges from this 3 years. Okay, what are that means? From academic side 1, and skill, and from practical knowledge. These are the very, very 3 important knowledge that you are going to acquire from these courses. Okay, and how you are getting that academic knowledge means by the help of the internal assessment and the examination pattern what they are giving from the university sides. You know, all are from about the internal assessment pattern because you are a first year students. Anyhow, I am going to discuss about what are the internal assessment in your college. Okay, the periodical test, it's a 2.5 units, it carries 50 marks, and the periodical 2, it's also 2.5 units, it also carries 50 marks, and model exam out of 5 units, the total marks is 75, and assignment 3, it's 15 marks. Okay, from this marks they are converted into 25. Best of that periodical 2.5 units plus 2.5 units, what marks you are getting, that is converted into a 10 marks. If suppose you are getting 40 is the best from the 2 means 40 by 50 into 10. So that is your best from the periodical 1 and 2. And model exam, you know, you are going to appear for how much? It's 75. It's converted into 10 marks. Okay, it's you are going if you had acquired as 70 by out of 75 means 70 by 75 into 10, you are getting this marks. Similarly for assignments, out of 3 they are giving 5 marks. Totally you are getting 25 marks from this internal assessment. And see this in semester examination, you are going to appear for 75 marks, part A, B, and C. In part A containing 10 for MCQ and short answers 5 into 5, it's 25, and long answer 5 into 8, 40 marks totally. It's of 75 marks, and put together of 25 plus 75 gives 100 marks. These are the knowledges acquired from your academic science. Okay, and how to test your knowledge from your skills. How to develop your skills. So while developing the skills, you must check what are the important topics, involving in this part. You have to maintain that, and you have to search for that important topics and also. Okay, so if it is national, international competitions, means how to check. So these are the few topics I gave you for developing your skills. One is national and international competitions. What do you mean by that? National international competitions means just check for how to develop your knowledge by giving a competitive exams. Okay, suppose when you are facing a competitive exams, means you have to search for what are the important what vacancies involving, and how to face the competitive exams with the help of these government given by us. So these are the list of competitive exams governed by Government of India. So if you have passed 12th standard or 10th standard, or you are a graduate, or you are doing a graduate, you are able to follow these types of competitive exams. You have a lot of books in your library also. Competitive success books, you can prepare that from with the help of the library, and also from digital library. You can acquire more knowledge about this. This is the one of the skills you may develop. And what do you mean by paper presentation at national and international conference means? See, you are a first year student, you have some idea. So that idea can be implemented with the help of using paper presentations. Okay, so you can make a team, and what area. So if you are a math student or a physics student or a CDF student, so you're having some knowledge about that. So you take that topic, either it may be a differential equation or a race or whatever may be a pattern making. So you take that topic and make it into a presentation. Okay, it may be a 10 minutes presentation or 20 minutes presentation, whatever it may be. You just share your knowledge with the help of your peer mates, that is your students in special interested groups, and you present at more number of conferences. It may be a national or international conferences. It may be a offline mode or online mode, but it should be in clear cut, and how you present means it should be easy of the order. See, so you make the heading, okay, and where you are working, and with the email ID, and should be an abstract should be in clean, okay, within 5 to 6 lines, minimum 5 lines, maximum 5 lines, and minimum 3 to 5 lines, okay. And keywords and phrases should be given, and given introduction, see the alignment, and you have to give the preliminaries, definitions, and quoted with numbers, okay. And it should be very neat, and how you are presenting it should be very, very important. And at last you have to give the references in whatever manner you can give, and you have to select your topic clearly, and you present at whatever it may be, national or international, and try to present your papers in reputed colleges, and attending external technical events, not only presenting that competitions and also in paper presentations. You are going to attend external technical events, which means it may be a quiz, it should be a technical one, it purely based on, so then only you can develop your knowledge. Okay, it's somewhat knowledge, you have more exposure when you are attending that type of technical events. You get more number of knowledges by with the help of those events, like quiz and competitions, paper presentations, poster presentations, okay, and a speech regarding a simple topic. That should be an external technical events, not in internal cases. And you acquire knowledge with the help of online courses also. It should be a certificate courses. So the online courses are conducted by so many institutions, like see, this is the Coursera courses that is conducted by United States. Okay, so there are more number of courses, but few in arts and science. So it is an interdisciplinary you can apply for more number of events. It may be a psychology, it may be a math and logic, health, information technology, data science, computer science, business, arts and humanities, whatever it may be, fashion technology. So more number of courses are availing. Okay. So you please avail those courses and make a certificate courses, and this may happen at a season basis, yeah, every 3 months once. So appear for those examinations. Not only for this Coursera courses, and they are giving SWAYAM, that is an NPTEL course conducted by IIT. See this courses, lot of courses, how many students have enrolled, see how much of students has enrolled, and examinations, exam registrations, how much, and a number of courses are 505 courses. So these are very important for your department development as well as for your own development also. So not only your development, not only your department development, it also useful for your institution development also. So you have to complete your online courses minimum one per year. That is very, very useful. It gives more knowledge. These are the one of the technique to develop your skills. Okay. So then next, see, this is a SWAYAM courses, and when you click these cases, so you are getting, see, or suppose I am searching for mathematics. See the number of courses, how much it is available not only for mathematics, not only for engineering field, it also for more number of management. See, so you can avail any one of the courses. So it is not very tough. It is conducted by IIT Kharagpur. See this IISc, this is Bangalore, ISER Pune, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Bombay, IIT Tirupati. So these are the few institutions, that is the universities are going to conduct more number of NPTEL courses. That courses are useful for your development, skill development. So that is the one of the way to develop how much you acquire your knowledge from these sites. Okay, and when we search for physics, see, lot of courses are available. You can use it. See, they have given the materials and also answers. So when you are appearing for the examination, means 50% of marks are from the assignment basis. Okay. So are you aware about this, ma'am? Anyone aware about this NPTEL courses? Yes, Nirmala ma'am. Are they doing these external courses, certificate courses, any other institution, from any other institutions? Anyone, please respond. You don't know.
Only SWAYAM available, ma'am.
SWAYAM available. Okay. You can use of this, and you can get skills about by utilizing these types of examinations. And textile field also they are having. So this fashion and textile are interdisciplinary. So you can make use of these. And fashion technology students also use to have an industrial visit by nearby our institutions like Tirupur side and Kongayam. These having more number of textile industries. Please go and have an industrial visit about that. And next we move with special interest group. What do you mean by special interest group? Means the peer students. So suppose if the mathematics students are the strength of the mathematics students is 50, means so some students having some knowledge in differential equation, or some students having knowledge in rays, optic rays, like that. So they are making into a small groups, and from the groups they are having some presentations to outside the colleges, and make use of it and find your acquire more knowledge by the special group students. Your peer group students can get more number of knowledge. If you involve with that students, you can get more number of knowledges. Apart from that, project presentations also useful to how to produce a project with the help of these types of knowledges by attending technical seminars, by attending technical webinars. So you are going to display. See, can I tell in Tamil also? No? தமிழே பேசலாம் இல்லையா? ஸோ இப்போ வந்து நீங்கள் CFD ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸாக இருந்தீங்கன்னா, CDF ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸாக இருந்தீங்கன்னா, you can present your projects by giving a patent. So if you are designing a bag, you are designing a shoes, so whatever may be, so you can present your knowledge by using a project. நீங்க அதை present பண்ணி காமிக்கலாம். ஸோ அதை எப்படி நான் ப்ராஜெக்டை present பண்ணுறதுன்னா, so let us consider. See, a man how with the help of that cactus, okay, you know cactus, what is a cactus? Or from this leaf, United States patent application publication means how they are from the design of the leaf, okay, they developed that designs with implementing into a patent. See how they, when they published June 11, 2020, okay, and they transferred that design into a source. This is called a patent making. That CDF students can use these types of opportunities and may they get the patent filing also. And see this video how they are designing. Instead of using leather, with the help of the cactus, how they are designing a leather. See, it's a cactus, how they make into a bag. So it's a modern technology. So instead of getting leather from cow, from the animals, it is very degradable. It's biodegradable. It's not a non-degradable. So this is called a patent making. So instead of getting leather from cow, so it's a lot of we want smells and what toxic chemicals are there, and more number of it's not biodegradable substances. So it gives pollution to our environment. But it's a cactus, how it helps. See, for our environmental change, so if they are using cactus, how they develop it, they make into a patent filing. Replacement for leather with the help of animals, that is very harmful to us. Instead of they are doing with a cactus plant. Let's see the plastic. More number of chemicals are using. They do their patent work with these plants abundant in Mexico. How they planted and cultivated. See, only the matured plants are cultivated and make them into a leather. No smell, and it works for about maximum of 10 years. And this is the way they are doing and make as a patent, and how it shows out of this they are using these types of cactus. That's it. Yes. So this is published patent application publication in from United States. And next we go for learning new software. So not only getting knowledge by learning from bookworm. So you have to use a new software tool also. So for a math student, so then there are more number of softwares. So if you are going to present a paper now or going to publish a paper, so you should know about that math students should know about the LaTeX software, so which will be very useful. See, so this is the software I am using. How to instead of typing in a word, so or in it converted, we can use to convert it into a PDF on whatever file can be converted. See, instead of substituting a size symbol, see how we are typing inside the string we are using. Just you put a slash and put TSI. That's give the symbol as psi. See this size symbol here. See, this is our input output conditions. So when you are giving some inputs, if I am changing into, say, when I am delete this part and make an out, see, just you are displaying what you are typing. So this is very important tool to produce a paper or whatever it may be. So this is very important. And in the mari papers எல்லாம் நீங்க வந்து போட்டீங்கன்னா உடனே உங்களுக்கு பப்ளிஷ் ஆகும். பாத்தீங்கன்னா see alignment பாருங்க. see ஏதாவது ஒரு மிஸ்டேக் இருக்குமா தெரியவே தெரியாது. மிஸ்டேக் இருந்தா கூட தெரியாது. அலைன்மென்ட் அவ்வளவு நீட்டா வரும். வேர்ட்ல யூஸ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா இந்த மாதிரி அலைன்மென்ட் உங்களுக்கு கிடைக்கிறது ரொம்ப ரேர். ஸோ அதனால தான் நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்னா, ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி லேட்டெக்ஸ் சாஃப்ட்வேர் இதெல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு கொஞ்சம் பேப்பர் பப்ளிகேஷன்ஸ்க்கோ எதாக இருந்தாலும் இட்ஸ் வில் பி வெரி யூஸ்ஃபுல். ஓகே, அண்ட் கம் டு திஸ் பார்ட். லேர்னிங் சாஃப்ட்வேர் அட்ரினோ சாஃப்ட்வேர்னு இருக்கு, இந்த மாதிரி ஆர் ஸ்டுடியோன்னு இருக்கு, அந்த லேட்டெக்ஸ்னு இருக்கு. அப்புறம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஜாவா, இன்னும் கூட என்னென்ன உனக்கு சாஃப்ட்வேர் லேர்ன் பண்ணணுமோ உன்னோட ஃபீல்ட்ல எது வேணுங்கிறத பார்த்துட்டு யூ கேன் அப்ளை தட். அண்ட் செலக்ட் யுவர் ரிசர்ச் ஏரியா. ஸோ இப்போ நீங்க வந்து எதில் இருக்கீங்க அப்படிங்கிறத நீ பார்த்துக்கணும். உன்னோட ரிசர்ச் ஏரியா உன்னோட நீ எதுல கான்ஃபிடென்ட்டா இருக்கு அப்படிங்கிறத நீ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அதை செலக்ட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு அண்ட் தென் யூ கோ ஃபார் யுவர் ரிசர்ச். ஓகே, so since you are a first year students, you select any one of the topic from this first year and you can make an improvement and development in the second years, and you can publish your paper in the third year. In the first year you can use your paper presentations or project presentations or filing anything, and you can give your research paper at the end of the year. So these are the one of the techniques to develop your skills. And project proposals. After developing these types of research papers, you may apply for a funded projects like DRDO, DSTO. In the mari funded projects apply panna, they give your fellowship oda unak vandu 1 month 2 month durations la unak fellowship oda unak what they are giving a project, DRDO projects. And these and all comes to make the achievements and awards of the students. So in the mari develop skill develop panikina, you can get more knowledge from the academic side. Academic side illama we can get knowledge through the second type. What is that? Through the skills. What are that? Using national international competitions and paper presentations, attending technical seminars, workshops, technical events, okay, and doing online courses and certificate courses, and make of that special interest groups, that is the peer groups interest, and make a group உனக்கு யார் பிடிக்குதோ அவங்களோட சேர்ந்து ஸ்பெஷல் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் குரூப்போட சேர்ந்துட்டு யூ கேன் டெவலப் யுவர் ப்ராஜெக்ட் எதாக இருந்தாலுமே. அண்ட் patent filings I gave you for that costume design and fashion technology students. Okay, how to make a patent to design. The patent is nothing but to design a new thing. So whatever it may be, it may be a new bag, new shoes, new leathers, whatever it may be. So I show you an example. And learning new softwares means, so you can I give you LaTeX software, so from that you can get more number of knowledges to do projects. Okay, to do more number of projects in your lab. So அந்த மாதிரி இப்போ டெக்னிக்கல்ஸ் வளர நம்ம அதுவே பழசையே ஃபாலோ பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க கூடாது. So we can use more number of softwares and advantages and technologies from the global side. And project proposals, and before that you have to find your research area. See, நீ இதில் தான் நான் வந்து ஸ்ட்ராங்காக இருக்கு அப்படின்னா அந்த டாப்பிக்கை சூஸ் பண்ணிக்க, அதில் இருந்துட்டு யூ கேன் டெவலப். ஸோ ஒரு பேப்பர் நீ படிச்சினா, ஜேர்னல் பேப்பர் எடுத்து படிச்சின்னா அது கட்டாயம் உனக்கு புரியாது. ஸோ அப்போ என்ன பண்ணணும், ஒரு 10 times 20 times அதை படிச்சு பார்த்துட்டே இருந்தீங்கன்னா தான் அட்லீஸ்ட் டெஃபினேஷன் ஆகுது உனக்கு அட்லீஸ்ட் என்னங்கிறது தெரியும். ஸோ அதுலேருந்து யூ கேன் டெவலப். நாட் அதே மாதிரி பண்ண முடியாது, அதுலேருந்து யூ கேன் டெவலப் அ நியூ ரிசர்ச் ஏரியா. And you can apply for the project proposals, and you can definitely get an achievements of that. And see, so how you implement your subject with the application part. This is the third combination. This is the physical knowledge. How you get a physical knowledge? You just observe these pictures. Okay. So these are the pictures used in olden days. These are the objects used in olden days. See this? Anyone tell me what are the structures of this? யாராவது சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். இதனுடைய ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் எப்படிமா இருக்கு? இந்த டிசைன் பண்ண ஸ்ட்ரக்சர்ஸ் எல்லாமே இந்த மாதிரி இருக்குன்னு சொல்லுங்க யாராவது. As a math student or physics student or CDF students or can you tell me what are the structures they involved as I shown you? So it's a, see this, you know, it's a basic one. If it is a square means we know the area, how to calculate. If it is a circle, we know the formula. If it is a triangle, we know. And if it is a volume, it's a cuboid, we know the formula, a cube, centimeter cube. And it is a sphere, we know the formula. But see the difference between these last pictures and these pictures. See these pictures and how they design it. See, in this previous pictures, it consists of a certain basic squares or rectangles or triangles, whatever it is. Okay, but when we compare these pictures, it's a, see these pictures as how designed, how curved. See, compared with the last olden days vehicles and these vehicles, how much they design, how the profile is. See the profile. So it designed more number of curves that gives a what? A beautiful look. Okay, when we compare with the last pictures. And see the designs of this furnitures. When we compare with the last olden days furnitures and this furnitures. And see the car and the houses, how it is modeled. Okay, this is because of an integration. Okay, integration is a technique which is used to combining all those small combinations into a more number of elaborated combinations. Okay, that is called an integration. So not only for mathematics students, you know what is an integration. Physics students as well as CDF students, you just know integrated the small things into a more number of combinations. Okay, see, suppose we know the equation of a circle or whatever it may be, and this and see, this is a profile. It's a semicircle. So to calculate the area, it is not easy. But the circle, it is, we know the area of the circle is pi r square. But here, see this semicircle, it's not easy. By Riemann integration, they are splitting into small circles and combining those circles, and that gives an area. So this is called an addition of those squares, which gives an what? You gives an area. So instead of doing such additions, you are splitting, either it may be a squares, rectangles. So if you are dividing into a small rectangles, then adding those rectangle area we can get. See, for this first case I am giving 2 rectangles, then the third case I am giving 4 rectangles, and adding those summation. See the difference, 0.875, and here we are getting 0.78. It's not an accurate. And see this is an only one rectangle for that semicircle. So see the integration Riemann sum value is equal to 2. It's not correct, and we are dividing into 3 rectangles. See the Riemann sum, actually the sum of those rectangles is equal to 1.66, but the exact value is 1.57. It's not also equal. When you are dividing into small number of pieces, then that should be equal. Almost it's equal. See, this is Riemann sum area of that rectangle and that by using the integration, it varies from -1 to 1. That is equal. So for instead of summing all those rectangles with the help of the area of the rectangle, we are doing the integration. Integration is nothing but summing of those areas. Okay, so this is the one technique. And if you are not able to know the shape of the curve, or not, see like this, see this picture, say we don't know what is the shape of this curve called doomed path, or whatever it may be, this curved path. So this is used with the help of a GeoGebra tool we having. So from the GeoGebra, so if you don't know how to calculate that, suppose I am giving we don't know the shape of the curve. So you, with the help of the tool, this is one more technical tool. So I the equation for y equal to x. So this is the equation. Suppose I want the equation for y equal to x square, unknown equations. So we use this thing, x power 2. See the diagram, how it occurs. So if I want sine curve, y is equal to sine x. So this is unknown, but the equation of the circle and the equation of the square that are known, we know well-known things. So for unknown things, we use these types of procedure and use the integration part. That integration part is useful for instead of adding those combinations, you just integral. It varies from -1 to +1. Instead of adding some Riemann sum, we are using this integration part. So we get the answer exactly that clear answer. So these are the methods you are able to, what are the knowledge acquired by academic side, skill side, and practical side. So I think it will be useful for you. So how to develop yourself with the knowledge, because you are a first year students. I just shown how the integration applies. Okay, it's for different cases. It may be square root of 2x plus 1. It's an unknown curve. See the curve how like it is. So it is from the limit. It varies from, see the limits. It varies from here a to b. That is the limit. It's a definite and indefinite limits. There is no limit here which having a limit. So these cases we can use the practical knowledge. This is the practical knowledge, how we implement our subject into a practical part. So how I am use it for designing a what car, what a model of a beautiful house, whatever it may be, you can apply and implement that use of practical knowledge. So through 3 types of important topics, we get the knowledge. Please make use of it. That's it.